Selling your house can feel like navigating a chaotic maze, but it doesn't have to be. In this video, we're diving into why partnering with a realtor can be your secret weapon for a smoother, more profitable sale, so let's get started. First, realtors possess invaluable market knowledge. Think of them as your local neighborhood experts. They understand pricing trends, buyer demands, and what it takes to make your home stand out from the competition. Next up are negotiation skills. Realtors are skilled negotiators who can help you get the best possible price for your property. They act as a buffer, handling communication and advocating for your interests to secure favorable terms. Now, let's talk about marketing expertise. Realtors know how to showcase your home in the best light using professional photography, compelling descriptions, and targeted advertising strategies to attract qualified buyers. Finally, selling a house takes a lot of time and effort. Realtors handle everything from scheduling showings to managing paperwork, freeing you up to focus on your next chapter. They'll save you precious time by managing all the tedious administrative tasks. Ultimately, a realtor's expertise can lead to a quicker, more profitable sale, so consider partnering with a professional to unlock the true potential of your home sale. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful real estate tips.